Hello besties, how are you? Welcome to my second YouTube video. I made my first one coming to LA, and now this is day one of my trip. Look how beautiful the city is. Like, it's incredible, and our Airbnb is like the most beautiful like house that I ever stayed in. Like, it's so nice and beautiful. I will make a tour, and yeah, we're gonna go to Malibu, and then we're gonna go to Santa Monica, Venice Beach, and yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I keep looking the wrong way, and I know I have to look here. Something I need to practice on, you guys, but just take a look at this view. Like, it's incredible. Look how beautiful. Like, what? This is LA, a place that I wouldn't live. I swear the traffic here is crazy. Like, I live in Boston and I thought traffic there was crazy, but no, here's like 10 times worse. Like, everybody drives crazy, and oh no, I can never live here, honestly. But outfit of the day, you guys. Look, oh wait, I gotta like show you guys. Can you guys even hear me? I'm like near the AC. But outfit of the day, this shirt, I'm not sure where is it from, but my shorts, no, my skirt is from Zara, and my bag is from Zara as well. Necklace is from H&M. But yeah, outfit of the day, you guys. Guys, I'm at Venice Beach. Like, look, this is so cute. My friends. Oh my god. It's day 2 of LA, and we're gonna go have breakfast at Freddo Cafe. It's 14 minutes away from our Airbnb. Talking about Airbnb, I want to do a tour of the house because it's beautiful, in our room as well. My hubby. Alright, y'all, this is my breakfast. This is so cute. Look at the place. Like, what the hell? I love it. You guys, we're done with breakfast. We are heading back home, our home for the next 2 days. And look, I'm gonna drive the Bronco, and I'm so excited. We are back home. I am getting ready to go to the Hollywood sign. That's where we're going. And we're going walking, I believe. I'm not sure if we're going walking because we are up in Hollywood Hills. We are near like the Hollywood Walk of Fame. I think that's what it is. And we're probably gonna go walking, but I'm gonna change my outfit. I went to breakfast, right? So I'm just gonna go with my leggings this cute top from Lululemon, and I'm gonna use my fanny pack, I guess. And yeah, that's gonna be my outfit. And I do want to give you guys a room tour and a little bit of the house as well. But yeah, come along with me. You guys, I don't know much to say. Like, this is very new to me, and bear with me. But yeah, I'll show you guys like little clips of where I'm gonna go, and yeah. Guys, I got here at the Hollywood sign. This is like one of the best spots to take pictures. Like, it's so up close. Like, look. But yeah, there's too many people here. Too many people, but you guys, I am back home. I love this bathroom, and I love the lighting of this bathroom. Like, look, the lighting is so perfect. But we're back home, and we are planning on going walking. Oh my god, we're planning on going walking to the street of the, oh my god, what's the name of that? The Stars in Hollywood. The Walk of Fame. Yeah, that's what it is. We are going to walk there because it's not that far from our Airbnb. Which I keep saying I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the house and the view. And I will. I swear, it's just like I haven't stayed home. Like, hopefully tonight we'll stay home and I can give you guys a tour of the house. But we just like keep going out, and plus we gotta enjoy. Look at my hair. Look, so cute. But anyways, I'm gonna change my outfit because I don't know, I just feel like I want to change it out. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna take you guys with me. This is, oh, day 2 is going perfect. Like, I am loving everywhere that I'm going. Tomorrow I will be including day 1. Yesterday technically was day 1, so this will be day 2. It is day 2 because we went to Venice Beach yesterday and Santa Monica. So technically this is day 2. It is day 2. What am I talking about, you guys? Oh my god. And then tomorrow I will do another video for day 3 and 4, which is our last day. But yeah. So let's go. I'm gonna take you guys with me. Alright, you guys, I decided not to change my outfit. I'm gonna keep this outfit on, but let me show you guys. Okay, this lighting is better. Let me show you guys just my room. All right, so this is the room, the bed. I love this beanbag. Look at it, it's so cute. Me and the view of the room. There's like a little deck, and then the closet, my clothes is in there, and this is the bathroom. Pretty cute. I love the shower and the tub, and Two sinks, me, yeah. But the rest of the house, I will be showing it later in this vlog. But right now, we gotta get going. You guys, these hills are so steep. Like, and we're walking to the Walk of Fame. So like walking this all over again, going up, it's exhausting. Going down is exhausting. But yeah. You guys, we're here at the Walk of Fame. But I expected more, to be honest. Like, there isn't much. I expected more, I feel like. We just had lunch and I totally forgot to vlog it. And yeah, we ate at Bolsa. It's like a Brazilian food because I am Brazilian and everyone here. But yeah, now we're walking back home, which is like probably like a 20-25 minute walk. And I'm so full and I had a caipirinha. And I feel sleepy. But yeah, I'm so full. Can't wait to get home and just relax because my feet are actually hurting. But yeah, I'm tired. What a long day. You guys, we got to the hills because we walked 25 minutes. But I'm dying. Like, what the hell? I need an Uber. Oh, this is too much. We walked probably like 2 hours. I can't. I can't. Like, look. Once I get there, I'm gonna lay down. And I don't want to get up. We are planning on staying home. I'm not sure if we're gonna do anything else. It's up to them. Yeah. You guys, my hair looks so cute. Like, looks very nice. Surprise. But yeah, I'm dead. You guys, these hills are no joke. And I haven't been to the gym for like a month. Yeah. You guys, I forgot completely to close up this vlog, and I swear today was such a long day, and we decided to just stay here at the house, not even go out or anything. Just we have a jacuzzi, so that's what we did. But yeah, tomorrow is day 3. And if you guys enjoy the vlog, please subscribe and stay tuned for more. I will be posting day 3 and day 4. But yeah, good night, besties.